And we finally reached Mahalasanarayani Samsthan, Mardol, after 40 minutes of driving. Very blessed and felt very divine. It's near our wedding anniversary. Misal Pav. Misal. You guys, welcome to day 1 of Goa video series. Welcome to Lakshmi Kamat's vlogs, and if you're new here, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. More and more exciting Goa content is coming up. We are in Bella Hotel in Panji. I have gotten ready all traditional ethnic wear. We are going to Ponda temples today. Ponda and Mardol, Shanteri Kamakshi and Mahalasanarayani temple. The time is almost 4 o'clock. So we did not have lunch. We had breakfast around 11:30. So now we are planning to eat something first, somewhere around there. And after that we will go to temples, which will open around after 5:30 is what I have heard. So I'll take you along with me. I'll show you my outfit of the day. This is my top from Rajasthan. We got this from Pushkar. Yeah, Rajasthan memories here in Goa. So this was actually a one piece, but it's a little short and not looking good as a one piece. So I wore a pant and some accessories, some earrings. Yes, we're good to go. And Guruji's Om shirt, Mahakal shirt and jeans. Having lunch. This is 18th June Road, somewhere Panji. This is a lot of shops here, a lot of streets kind of. We're planning to go to this Legacy of Bombay, chili and spice. And this is where the fun begins. I got the shock of my life after seeing the menu. Such a costly restaurant. We were looking to eat normal idli, dosa and thalis, and this had something totally different and costly. So we decided to leave this. So we came to the Sheetal Pure Veg close by that itself. We'll try food here now. New Sheetal restaurant is at least affordable, very affordable. So dosa and all is 60-70 rupees. Much better. One plate Sheera. Onion uttappa, 90 rupees it is. From here we began our journey to Ponda. Oh, Big Daddy Casino, Mandavi River, and that is Atal Setu. Wow. This is the main Panji road, and on the left is Mandavi River, where all the big cruise ships and casinos are located. We were enjoying our scooty ride which we rented in Zara Bikes in Panji, and then we were stopped by Goa traffic police. They told us that there was a bridge and we were not supposed to overtake on the bridge, which we did. So now we have to pay 1,000 rupees challan, and our license is suspended for 3 months, or just pay 500 rupees and close the case. Wow, Goa traffic police, what a nice way to take bribes and fool the tourist. Nobody is here to stay for and quarrel with them, so we just paid 500 rupees and left. And we finally reached Mahalasanarayani Samsthan, Mardol, after 40 minutes of driving. In between, some police guys stopped, traffic police stopped this guy, stopped our vehicle because he overtook on the bridge. It seems you should not overtake on the bridge or some shit he said, and he said pay 1,000 rupees challan, fine. Your driving license is suspended for 3 months, 1,000 rupees fine. On top of that, he will suspend driving license for 3 months, it seems. Then Guruji was like, what? Then he's saying give 500 rupees and let's close the case. What kind of bribes, idiot. When we had no other choice, we had to pay 500 rupees. This is our beautiful Mahalasa Narayani temple located in Mardol. Please do visit. It's in Mardol, Goa, and be blessed and feel very divine. This is the idol of goddess Mahalasa Narayani. And from Mahalasa Narayani temple in Mardol, we came to Shanteri Kamakshi temple in Ponda. Took us about 15 minutes, but the road is totally gone case, with lots of ups and downs and road repair. My god, it was very challenging to reach here. Is there Sri Ramnath? Sri Ramnath, this is temple canteen. Also there is one more canteen here. This has good food, this canteen. Both are this way, and that's the temple there. Let's go. Ramnathi temple. Our Shanteri Kamakshi temple. Ramnath Shanteri Kamakshi Devi Namaha. This is our Shanteri Kamakshi temple. It is under renovation. Not the temple rooms are under renovation. This is the main temple, Ramnath temple. The middle one is Ramnath there inside. Then Shanteri Kamakshi on left and right. And there that is Betal temple. We are very blessed and felt very divine. It's near our wedding anniversary that we got to come and be blessed at our Kuldevi's temples. So very, very grateful for all the blessings and wishes. This is Misal Pav in Hotel Neeta near Shanteri Kamakshi temple. My cousins Suraksha and Kirtana introduced me to this. This is amazing. Taste is very good and very filling also. This is our Kokam soda. Took us about almost 1 hour to nearly reach Panji. This is Panji area at night. It's beautiful and all lights everywhere. The cruise, the casino. These are the big casinos which are in these cruises. They're very beautiful. Oh, my Guruji, poor fellow. He said let's take a video here, and he stood here. He parked the vehicle here, so because I said we did not click any video near the casinos. So thanks for stopping by. This is the casino side. You can sit here. There are a lot of people sitting, and that's the casino. It's the Mandavi river here. Mandavi river. That's one casino, King's Casino it seems. That is Deltin Royal. This is Deltin Royal. This is Big Daddy Casino. There are flashing lights. Some disco is going on over. Guruji says temple to casino.
Temple dress, still in temple dress.
Still in temple dress, but posing around casinos. Casinos are not just to play gambling and all that. So there are other things also in the casino. We visited a casino, Deltin Royal, Asia's biggest casino, I think. So I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch that. 3,000 rupees entry fees per person. So this is irrespective of gambling. So if you want to gamble and all that, you have to pay more. Otherwise, this includes food, unlimited food, and some selected alcohol, I think. So we had great time last time. Too much of food and drinking mocktails and soft drinks. It was very nice. Deltin Royal. 3,000 per person we paid. And also there's a lot of entertainment, lot of dance and belly dancing and so many other things going on. It's a really nice vibe. If you have time and money, you can go there. And also I'm not endorsing gambling. This is the main road, okay? This is the main road. And to go to that casino, you have to register there somewhere. There'll be counters and register, then pay the money, then a ferry will take you there. It's a really nice experience. Huh? Bye bye. Majestic Pride counter. So here you have to pay and then they'll give you a badge and all that. With that you can go. We reached the room. It took us 1 hour to come from Ponda to Panji. Oh God, too much of driving and very secluded, lonely roads and just forest and forest in the Ponda side. So yeah, we finally reached and let's call it a day. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for sticking by. Tomorrow's plan is we'll go to Fonte Street here in Panji side and then check out the room and shift to Anjuna. We have booked the room there and then we'll check around Anjuna side there. So yes, exciting content coming up. For that, please hit that like button and subscribe and comment and tell me what part of today's trip did you like, today's day did you like the most, and I'll pin the first comment. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna. It is May 2nd today, 12 in the night, and we are celebrating our wedding anniversary here by Miramar beachside. Yay, this was surprise. I didn't know we are coming here. Thanks Guruji for the wedding anniversary surprise. I will sit here for some time and then go back to room.